Out in the garden one fine day, with my kite I went to play. I flew with the right, I flew with left. I flew with the right, I flew with left. I flew with the high up the sky. Hello Monami. Hello teacher. Hello friends. Hello children. Get ready to learn about the 26 letters in the English alphabet. Today we will learn about letter K. Okay Monami, so let's start. This is an uppercase K. What is this Monami? This is an uppercase K. And this is a lowercase k. What is this Monami? This is a lowercase k. Good. As you know children, every letter has a different sound. Letter K is a consonant and it has a sound. To make you understand it better, here is a story of the Koala Land. In the kingdom of Koala Land, there was a king named Kite Koala who loved to fly kites. He organized a kite festival once a month. All the koalas actively took part in that festival. King Koala invited his friend King Play Kangaroo from the neighboring country named Kangalia and Princess Kitty Cat from Catty Island to take part in the festival. Together, they flew their kites up in the sky with all the other kites. As the kites drifted in the air, everybody sang. My kite flew high up in the sky, over the mountain, touching the rainbow. Flew high, flew high. My kite flew high, my kite flew high. My kite flew high, my kite flew high. That is the sound of letter K. So now let us sing about the sound of letter K. K is a consonant, it has a sound. 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 Let us say the K sound. Let us say the K sound. As in king, as in kitten, as in kettle. As in king, as in kitten, as in kitty. Isn't it fun? It's good to learn. K is a consonant, it has a sound. 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 Let us say the K sound. Let us say the K sound. As in kiwi, as in key, as in kangaroo. As in kiwi, as in key, as in kangaroo. Isn't it fun? It's good to learn. So now let us revise. What is the sound of letter K?
K as in king, K as in kitten, K as in kiwi. Kiwi is a fruit, kiwi is a bird.
Yes. So in our next class, children, we will learn about letter L.
And please do not forget to like, subscribe and share our channel.
Okay. So, see you children. Stay safe, stay healthy and stay blessed. Bye.
Bye friends.